Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy crypto payment solutions with BitPay, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the BitPay website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email through the link you receive in your inbox. Log into your newly created BitPay account. Navigate to the Merchant Tools section on the dashboard. Select Payment buttons from the menu. Click on Create a Payment button. Choose the type of button you want to create. Input the necessary details such as item name and price. Adjust settings like button style and currency as per your needs. Once done, click on Save Payment button. Copy the generated HTML code. Paste the HTML code into your website where you want the button to appear. To accept payments through invoices, go to the Invoices section. Click on Create Invoice. Fill in the invoice details, including the amount, description, and customer email. Select the appropriate options for cryptocurrency conversion if desired. Click on Send Invoice to share it with the customer. For integrations, visit the API section for documentation. Follow the guides specific to your platform for seamless Test your setup by making a small transaction. Monitor the payments via the BitPay dashboard. Keep track of your transactions and analyze the data provided. Stay updated by visiting the BitPay resources and community forums for any new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.